Pumpkin seeds, for that matter, the pumpkin vegetable, both are said to have healthy benefits, especially for the skin, for the heart, and for women. I think it's a wonderful seed. Eating a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds can give you vitamin E, almost 90% of your recommended dietary allowance, along with the omega 3 and the magnesium. It can promote a healthy skin, good hair, and a nice glow on your face. Most of you have heard that seeds, if eaten regularly, can cause kidney stones. But this seed, the pumpkin seed, is very novel in the way that it prevents kidney stones from being formed. It improves your kidney function, being low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus. For women, good news. If you have pumpkin seeds along with flax seeds in the first 2 weeks when your menses start, the ovulatory phase, that's when you will realize that eating these seeds as a mukwas or as part of a laddu, or if you sprinkle on your salad at least a tablespoon, you will have no more menstrual cramps. You won't have those clotty bleeding times of menses. So I think it is a win-win situation to include some flax seeds along with pumpkin seeds so that you get the benefit of omega 3 and omega 6 that these two seeds in combination give you. For those who are looking at heart protective benefits, rich in antioxidant and polyphenol compounds, pumpkin seeds are an ideal addition to your daily diets. It is cancer preventive. It also helps to build on your mental wellness, being rich in magnesium. Magnesium, friends, is a mineral which is very important for bone health and for brain function and to promote good sleep. So if you're looking at insomnia or a very disturbed sleep cycle, I suggest chewing a spoon of roasted pumpkin seeds with dinner or a little after dinner, or you can stir in pumpkin seeds powder in a cup of milk and you will have a sound, deep quality, good quality sleep. So just including a spoon of pumpkin seeds as part of your salad into your smoothie or as part of a laddu can go a long way in promoting health, wellness and fitness.